Today I am reviewing this Microbalance TI coffee scale from DiFluid. Comes in this really nice case, so I think if you gave this to someone, they'd really appreciate it. You see it's all foam back, and it's pretty neat. Has this nice high gloss black finish, USB-C charging there, and it has a fairly big battery on it. Also, you can use an app with it. Max of 3,000 grams and precision of 0.1 grams, so very accurate. And yeah, it has this silicone cover so you can put hot things directly on it. It tears super fast. I'm going to try to experiment. It also has the app where it'll show you your flow rate. So we have it tiered. You also have the timer. I'm going to go ahead and weigh the coffee here. Put the beans in. That's about 8.9 grams. About 9. We're going to do the pour over. I'll start my timer up. Try to do it nice and slow. And you can see it's showing me my flow rate here and the ounces over here. Try to keep it a little steadier. How long I've been pouring it. I guess that's when it's telling me to stop. So we're at 335 grams. But you can see how that works, and in the app, you can actually use it where it has a coach to show you how to keep improving on it. So pretty cool product. Should make a nice cup of coffee. Continues to do it, and yeah, let's check it out. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.